Now that we are familiar with the concepts of explicit and implicit conversions, we can explore equality comparisons. To perform equality checks, we can use the loose equality operator. For example, is equal is 5 equals 5 returns true. Now, let's check if the string 5 is equal to the number 5. Is equal is 5 equals string 5. Still, we get true. You might have expected the result to be false, but equals is a loose equality operator, which converts all values to the same type before it performs the comparison. This automatic type conversion, or coercion, ensures that different types are converted to a common type before comparison. In the example above, the number 5 is first turned into the string 5, and the final equality check is performed on two strings with the same value, 5. Let's explore some more examples. Is equal is true equals 1 is true, since true is converted to 1 before comparison. False equals 1 results in false, since false converts to 0. False equals 0 is true. False is converted to 0. Null equals undefined is true, since null and undefined are considered equal in loose comparison. Empty string equals false is also true because an empty string is considered falsy and is turned into false before comparison. Understanding the rules of automatic conversion should make it easier to predict the results of operations like this. We can also check if values are not equal using the not equal operator like this. Is unequal, string 5, not equal to number 5, is false. 5 is converted to a string before comparing values. Since the not equal operator also adheres to automatic conversion rules, expect the result to be the reverse of the loose equality operator. Let's explore some common pitfall examples. True equals 2 is false, since true is converted to 1. Empty string equals 0 is true, since empty string is falsy, and same goes for an empty string with a space. So empty string with a space equals 0 is true. As we mentioned before, null is equal to undefined. So null equals undefined is true, null equals 0 is false, and undefined equals 0 is false. So null and undefined are equal, but not equal to any other value. And lastly, not a number equals not a number is false. None is not equal to anything, including itself. To sum up, loose equality compares two values for equality, converting them to a common type if necessary. And not equal checks for inequality, also performing type conversion. Use loose equality and not equal with caution due to coercion, which often leads to unexpected and unintended results. Understanding how loose equality works helps you write more predictable JavaScript code. By knowing when and how type coercion happens, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure your comparisons behave as expected. In the next lesson, we will learn how to avoid the common pitfalls of loose equality comparison by using strict equality comparison.